If you're a freelancer or remote worker, you're either drowning in deadlines, explaining to your parents that yes, this is a real job, or both. Here's how I stopped working like a donkey and made AI do the heavy lifting. These 5 tools saved me time, sanity, and possibly my career. Notion AI, your personal underpaid assistant, takes your messy ideas and turns them into clean documents, blog posts, or emails that sound like you have your life together. Example, I wrote client meeting follow-up. Notion AI wrote a professional email that didn't sound like I was crying inside. Free tier, yes. Worth it. Paid, only if you actually want to impress clients. Tactic, transcribe Zoom calls so you can daydream in peace. It auto-transcribes your client meetings and pulls out action points. So now you can nod on Zoom while mentally planning your dinner. Example, I missed half a call, but Tactic gave me a summary that even included the client's weird joke. Free tier, limited transcription mins, month. Still solid. Durable.co, build a portfolio website in 30 seconds, no code. No stress. Example, I typed graphic designer, India. It built a portfolio that made me look NYC based. Free to preview. Paid if you want to host. Caber AI, turn client boring ideas into cinematic gold. This is for editors, animators, visual freelancers. Turn text prompts or images into stunning animations and pretend it took you weeks. Example, client wanted cinematic intro with planets. I typed that. Caber gave me Christopher Nolan vibes. Free limited render credits. Worth every second. LANCEY.ai, AI that sends invoices and tracks payments because asking for money is awkward. And reminding clients is worse. Lancy tracks your projects, bills, and follow-ups like a robotic accountant with no guilt. Example, I set it up once. It reminded my client 3 times. I got paid. No awkward text needed. Free trial. Paid plans available. These tools are why I haven't rage quit freelancing yet. If you're still doing everything manually, you deserve every unpaid invoice coming your way. Like, comment, subscribe, or Lancy might start sending you invoices.